In today's digital landscape, mastering marketing performance through analytics is crucial. This presentation will explore the essentials of digital marketing analytics, covering key concepts and practical implementation to unlock data-driven success. Digital marketing analytics are crucial as they transform raw data into actionable insights, driving billions in revenue. Companies using analytics effectively can boost return on investment by up to 20%. This empowers marketers to make informed decisions, optimizing campaigns and strategies for better performance. Key performance indicators, KPIs, are crucial for aligning marketing efforts with business goals. Metrics like conversion rate and bounce rate provide insights into user behavior. Website traffic, including total visitors and unique users, is tracked over time. Click-through rate measures ad effectiveness, while social engagement tracks likes and shares. Lead generation counts qualified prospects from marketing activities. Conversion rate measures the percentage of visitors completing actions like purchases. Bounce rate indicates visitors leaving after one page. Click-through rate tracks ad or email link clicks. Session duration shows average time spent per visit, while pages per session reflect engagement. A line chart reveals conversion rate improvements over 6 months, highlighting optimization success. Google Analytics provides free website traffic tracking and user behavior analysis. SEMrush offers search engine optimization analysis, pay-per-click management, and competitive intelligence. Social media insights like Facebook Insights and LinkedIn Analytics track social performance. These tools are essential for understanding digital marketing metrics and optimizing strategies. Install tracking codes by adding the analytics script to your website's header. Define goals and funnels to track conversions and user journeys. Connect marketing channels like Google Ads and social media for unified tracking. Use the Google Analytics script to monitor user behavior, traffic sources, and conversions effectively. Effective visitor segmentation is crucial for understanding audience groups and tailoring marketing efforts. Segment by traffic source, demographics, behavior, and device type. Use this data to craft personalized campaigns that resonate with specific segments, enhancing engagement and conversion rates. Key sources include organic search, paid advertising, social media, direct traffic, and referrals. Analyzing campaign performance involves monitoring key metrics like total impressions, click count, conversions, and cost per acquisition. A Facebook ads campaign achieved 45,000 impressions, a 7.1% click-through rate, and 287 conversions at a $12.50 cost per acquisition, surpassing benchmarks by 15%. These insights guide strategic adjustments for future campaigns. Trend graphs illustrate performance changes over time, highlighting patterns and growth. Pie charts offer a clear view of proportional relationships and market share. Heat maps reveal user behavior, pinpointing popular areas on web pages. Structuring reports into sections like traffic overview, user engagement, and conversion metrics ensures stakeholders can easily access pertinent information. Open Google Data Studio and create a new report. Connect Google Analytics as the primary data source, then add Google Ads and YouTube Analytics. Design custom visualizations and filters, configure date ranges and comparison periods, and share the dashboard with team members. This multi-source dashboard offers comprehensive insights, centralizing digital marketing data for a complete overview. Automating analytics reporting with the Google Analytics API streamlines data extraction, saving time and reducing errors. A sample Python script demonstrates how to authenticate and request monthly traffic data, transforming hours of manual work into minutes. Scheduled reports ensure timely insights, enhancing decision-making efficiency and accuracy. Identify trends and anomalies in traffic to understand performance impacts. Optimize campaign allocation by reallocating budget to high-performing channels. Improve conversion rates by analyzing user behavior to identify friction points. For example, redesigning a landing page to make the checkout button more visible. Increase conversion rates by 23% in 2 weeks. Avoid data overload by focusing on metrics aligned with business goals. Ensure data accuracy through proper tagging and validation. Tailor reports to audience needs. Executives require summaries. Analysts need detailed breakdowns. Conduct regular audits to verify tracking accuracy. Avoid inconsistent tracking and consider external factors to prevent unreliable data and confusion. AI and machine learning are revolutionizing digital marketing analytics by enabling predictive analytics and real-time campaign optimization. Holistic data integration merges offline and online sources for comprehensive insights. Emerging technologies like automated insights platforms and voice-activated interfaces democratize data access, ensuring everyone can leverage valuable insights for strategic decision-making. Harness analytics to empower smarter marketing, improve ROI, and gain a competitive edge. Implement Google Analytics, create insightful dashboards, and let data guide your decisions. Remember, as W. Edwards Deming said, "Without data, you're just another person with an opinion."